In this video, we'll cover how to use Mailchimp's A/B testing feature to optimize your email campaigns and drive better results. If you're looking to get the most out of Mailchimp, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up A/B tests, analyze results, and improve your email performance. Before we dive in, did you know you can use Mailchimp completely free from the link below? Plus, we've got an exclusive bonus for you. You'll want to check that out. Now, let's get started. First, what exactly is A/B testing? It's a way of testing different versions of your email to see which one performs best. Whether you want to test subject lines, content, or even sending times, A/B testing allows you to make data-driven decisions that improve engagement. Next thing, let's talk about how to set up an A/B test in Mailchimp. It's pretty simple. First, log into your Mailchimp account and create a new campaign. Choose the A/B test option when prompted. This will give you the flexibility to test up to 3 variations of your email, and Mailchimp will automatically send each version to a portion of your audience. Next, select what you want to test. There are several elements you can A/B test, such as subject lines, send times, content, or even the from name. Just select the element you want to experiment with, then enter the different variations. For example, if you're testing subject lines, you might choose one that's more playful and one that's more professional. This way, you can see which tone resonates better with your audience. The third thing to consider is the test group. Mailchimp will automatically split your list into smaller segments, so each variation gets sent to a random sample of your audience. You can also choose the size of your test group, which allows you to control the sample size. Now, once your emails are sent, it's time to analyze the results. Mailchimp will track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. The winning variation will be sent to the rest of your list. The beauty of A/B testing is that it helps you identify what really works, so you can continuously optimize your emails for better performance. The fourth thing I want to touch on is how often you should A/B test. The truth is, it depends on your campaign goals. You don't need to A/B test every email, but testing regularly can help you refine your strategy over time. Start small with one element, like a subject line, and as you get more comfortable, you can test multiple elements at once. Finally, let's talk about how A/B testing fits into a larger email marketing strategy. It's not just about testing for the sake of testing, it's about making your emails more relevant to your audience. Use A/B tests to fine-tune your messaging, understand your audience better, and improve your overall ROI. To wrap it up, remember that you can use Mailchimp's A/B testing feature to optimize your email campaigns. It's a powerful tool that allows you to test, learn, and continuously improve your email marketing strategy. And don't forget, if you're ready to dive deeper into Mailchimp, you can use it for free with our exclusive bonus. Just click the link below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident using Mailchimp's A/B testing feature to take your email campaigns to the next level.